Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Face ID required because stolen device protection is turned on. For example, if you try to change any security settings and you will find the stolen device protection is turned on and you have to turn off the stolen device protection. So how you can fix that? For this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now what you have to do, you have to simply turn off the stolen device protection. And if you want to change any security settings, for example, if you try to change Face ID or password, and you have to simply turn off the stolen device protection on your iPhone. And here you have to make sure that you have provided the correct Face ID. And here if you want to change the Face ID and you want to turn off the stolen device protection, then here is option available. Here you have to simply click on stolen device protection, and after that it scans your Face ID and it will ask for security delay. If you want to turn off this security delay and you want to turn off this stolen device protection, then you have to wait for 1 hour so that you will be able to turn off or restart your. And you have to make sure that you do not turn off or restart your iPhone, then your delay will be restarted. So you have to make sure about that. Your method is that you have simply set an alarm for 1 hour, and after that you have to simply check for reset Face ID or any security setting if you want to do that, because stolen device protection is turned on and you have to make a security delay to change any security settings on your iPhone. And in this way you can simply turn off stolen device protection. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.